Welcome back, everybody. This is George with you at the Volo Auto Museum, and today I want to invite you on a virtual test drive inside a 1969 Plymouth Road Runner. And if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to the YouTube channel and turn on those notifications by clicking that little bell icon. What that'll do is notify you anytime we upload a new video, and you don't miss out on the car of your dreams. And the purpose of these virtual test drive videos is to virtually put you in the driver's seat no matter where you are in this world, so you can get a sense of how this goes down the road, what it sounds like, how it handles, and you can see it out in its natural habitat. For all additional information, when we're done here, I want you to go on over to volocars.com. That's VOLO cars.com. That's where we have our whole inventory. We have all the selling prices. We have a couple hundred pictures. I'm talking undercarriage, above, inside out, and in the hood. The detailed write-up. We try to find as much information about each of these vehicles and pass it on to you, so when you give us a call to make this purchase, you're knowledgeable, you're confident, everything goes smooth. Well, let's jump on in. The interior looks really great. Seats comfortable, looks well maintained. I like that. Looking overhead, yeah, everything seems really great and in order. Let's go and start her up. Oh, missed it there. Whoops, operator error. Oh, maybe I need to hold her open. There we go. Sometimes cold starts aren't the easiest with these these babies. I did notice on the drive down here through the parking lot, I couldn't get the radio to work. Whatever, no big deal. The fan does kick on, so that's good. I love the pistol grip shifter. I always love those. Let's see. This is the first time myself or anyone from the shop is going to take this out on the road, so you and I are experiencing everything first time together. I am going to start off just kind of getting the hang of her, and then later in the video I'll open it up a little bit, see what she can do. All right, let's go for a ride. Liking the clutch, how it feels. It feels pretty smooth. Shifting it same way, nice into second gear. The accelerator gives you a good amount of tension, just not too much, not too little. Speedo's working. I'm seeing the fuel gauge. I put a couple gallons in, that worked. The alternator, I see it moving, and the tachometer up here is working. We'll keep an eye on the engine temp though. See how that does. Steers, goes pretty straight, and if you start to turn, there's like the most minimal amount of play in this, but you turn it 2 degrees, it goes. You turn it again, it starts going. Steers really easy. I like that. That sounded solid going over all those bumps. I didn't hear any creaks, clinks, anything like that. I know I mentioned it, but I really love the pistol grips. So far, just cruising around the city streets, handles great, looks great, sounds awesome. I have zero complaints. Let's open her up a bit. gusto, easy to shift through, easy handling, really nice. Definitely one of the more fun vehicles to drive. I think I'm seeing the engine temp gauge come up a little bit there, so you got to see first through fourth and reverse. I don't do reverse in a lot of the videos. Driving this put a huge smile on my face. That was fun, going through all four gears. Driving this thing's like a dream. It's an amazing car. I hope you enjoyed it too. Like I said, subscribe to the YouTube channel, turn on those notifications, and now's the time to head on over to volocars.com, check out the pictures, the write-up, and then give our sales department a call. As always, we appreciate it.